Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning. We are providing you free online classes during this lockdown period for the betterment of your education. Okay, so how are you all? Good. Okay, is my voice audible to all of you? Then please write down yes in our comment box. So students, we have learned so many things about festivals of Northeast India and the use of present simple tense, present continuous tense, how to express the present time. So, let's have a revision today. Okay, so today's class is on revision, that how much you have remembered. Okay, so let's see, but before that, let me tell you how can you join in our live class. Okay, so just you have to take your phone and go to YouTube and search our YouTube channel Aveti Learning, and just you have to subscribe our channel Aveti Learning, and don't forget to what, press the bell icon to get more updates. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more updates. Okay, now let me tell you the rules of our live class, that first you have to answer the questions, only the question which is asked, and you should have to answer that only on our comment box or chat box. And secondly, don't chat with each other. And thirdly, if you start chatting with each other, then you will, especially you will feel the problem, you will face the problem while watching the video. Okay, and finally, this is a special request to all of you, that you should have to note down the important points only after watching the video. Okay, as you know that this is a permanent video, you can find anytime on your YouTube channel. So don't waste your time while watching. Okay, don't make a note while watching the video. So it's the time for revision. So let me see who can answer quickly and correctly. So, the instruction is choose the correct tense forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Okay, so you should have to write the correct tense form of the verb. Okay, of the correct answer. So, see, the first question is he dash to college every day, and the verb given in the bracket is go. Option A, go. Option B, goes. Option C, going. Option D, went. So, which is the right answer? Just you have to write in the comment box. C, he dash to college every day. Every day means regularly. Okay, the action which happens regularly. So, which is the right answer? Yes, all of you have given the right answer. The answer is goes. He goes to college every day. Okay, so the reason is this is a habitual action of that person. Okay, now let's move on to question number 2. Amrit dash a novel at present, and the verb given in the bracket is read. So option A, read. Option B, reads. Option C, is reading. Option D, was reading. So quickly write down the correct answer in the comment box. I'm waiting. Quickly write down and focus on the sentence that here at present is used. At present means just now. So what is the correct tense form of the verb that should be put in the blanks? Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the answer is option C, is reading. Amrit is reading a novel at present. And the reason is something happening now. The thing, the action which is happening now at the time of speaking. So here is reading is used. Then let's move on to question number 3. The earth dash around the sun. And the verb given in the bracket is move. So what is the right answer? Option A, move. Option B, moves. Option C, is moving. Option D, will move. What is the right answer? Quickly, quick. Be quick. So the earth dashes round the sun. This is the genuine thing. Okay. So which is a true, which refers to a truth, then which tense form is used? Write down. Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is option B, moves. The earth moves around the sun because it refers to, the reason is universal truth. Okay. So, question number 4. Pratyush dash for a job these days. And the verb given in the bracket is search. Option A, search. Option B, searches. Option C, is searching. Option D, searched. So, these days means nowadays. So, which is the correct tense form of the verb that should be put in this blank? Quickly write down the correct answer so that we will move on to the next question. Yes, all of you have given the right answer. It seems that all of you have practiced very well. So many thanks to all of you. And the right answer is searching. Okay, Pratyush is searching for a job. And the reason is something or the action which is happening for a long period of time. Okay, and it is on a continuing mode. Then let's move on to question number 5. My elder brother never does coffee. The verb given in the bracket is drink. So what will be the right answer? What is the right answer? What is the right answer? Quickly write the answer. Quickly write the answer. Quickly write the answer. Okay. All of you have told that you enjoyed my voice. That's why I'm singing. Okay. Uh, not anything else. Okay. My elder brother never dash coffee. ମୋ ବଡ଼ ଭାଇ କେବେ ବି କଫି ପିଏନି. That means it is a regular habit. Okay. If it refers to the habitual action, then which tense form is used? Option A, drink. Option B, is drinking. Option C, drinks. Option D, drank. My elder brother never dashed coffee. Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the answer is option C, drinks. My elder brother never drinks coffee because It is a repeated action or regular action or habitual action. Okay. So now let's move on to question number 6. The teacher dash mathematics now. And the verb given in the bracket is teach. So what is the right answer? Option A, teach. Option B, teaches. Option C, is teaching. Option D, taught. So in this question, there is a time representing what is there now. If now is used in a sentence, then what will be the right answer? Quickly write in the comment box or in the chat box without chatting with each other. Just focus on your study. Just remind what we have learned in our last class. Okay. Yes. The teacher does mathematics now. And the right answer is, all of you have given the right answer, correct answer. Such a good student of my class. And the answer is option C, is teaching. The teacher is teaching mathematics now, and the reason is something happening now. Means the action which is happening now. Means at the present situation, at the time of speaking. The action is continuing. That is why is teaching means present continuous tense is used. Then question number 7. Rosie dash hungry. And the verb given in the bracket is feel. Option A, feel. Option B, feels. Option C, felt. Option D, feeling. Rosie dash hungry. Yes, it is a feeling. It is an emotion. So quickly write the answer. Rosie dash hungry. Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the answer is option B, feels. Rosie feels hungry, and the reason is it is a feeling. Okay, it is a feeling of a person. So in this sentence, it is a feeling of Rosie, that Rosie feels hungry. Okay. So in this case also present simple tense to be used. Then question number 8. My father dash my problem. And the verb given in the bracket is understand. So what will be the right answer? Option A, understand. Option B, understood. Option C, understands. Option D, has understood. See, this is also a kind of emotions that always a father is having with his children. So in this case, in this genuine case also, in this kind of feelings or this kind of emotions also carries simple present tense. So what will be the right answer? I have already told you the answer, so you just have to put as per the person. So my father is the third person singular number. Okay, so if you put the present simple tense, then what will be the right answer? Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the answer is option C, understands. My father understands my problem, and this also refers to the emotions. So in this case also present simple tense to be used. Okay. So students, so this is the revision chapter. We are continuing with another revision chapter. Let's see who can answer so quickly and so correctly. Okay, so I am so happy that all of you have participated very well and all of you have given the correct answer so quickly, so brilliantly. Okay, so students, today is this much. We will meet in our next revision class. Okay, so let me tell you, we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So let me go, and you don't go anywhere, just you keep learning with Aweti Learning. Enhance your learning, activate your learning with the authentic learning, Aweti Learning. Thank you so much.